Hello everyone, myself Pankaj. Welcome to Being Fish Co. In this video, we will talk about some one-liners that are useful for your JRF exam as well as fisheries related other competitive exam. So let's start. First of all, biodiversity of an ecosystem defined as variety and variability of living organism. Thermocline is referred to middle layer of lake. Laminaria is a seaweed. Then protein-rich blue-green algae is spirulina. India's national aquatic animal, it is Platanista gangetica. New species reported by ICAR is Beryllius torsii. India's highest mangrove cover, it is West Bengal. Mangroves are nicknamed Mangal forest, green cover of the land and guardians of the coast. Ditch grass, Vidgeon grass, beak tassel weed, it is Rupia maritima. Global superfood is fish. Sustainable Development Goal 1370 focuses on climate action. New species of seaweed recorded in Gujarat is Hypnea indicus and Hypnea bullata. Lonar Lake at Maharashtra. Pure water weighs 64.2 lb at the rate 4 degrees Celsius. Organism growing upon free surface object, it is periphyton. Full form for HCB is hydrocarbonoclastic bacteria, that is Cycloplasticus marinobacter. HCB used in areas of biocatalysis and bioplastics. Water biomes, so they are large community of vegetation and wildlife. Transition zone between that contains variety of plants and animals, it is known as ecotone. Another definition is transition between two biotic communities is ecotone. Term biosphere coined by Edward Suess 1875. It was referred as place on Earth's surface where life dwells. Term ecosystem coined by A.G. Tansley in 1935. Biosphere is itself a living organism, Gaia hypothesis. Substrate with low porosity permits limited transmission of groundwater, that is Equitard zone of Earth. Study of weather and climate, meteorology. Study of climate, climatology. Temperature to which air must be cooled to become saturated without changing the pressure is called dew point. Humus produce earthy odor. Sewage composition is 99% water and 1% solid. Organism related to surface film, it is Newton. Marsh gas, methane. Ideal feature of azolla, high nitrogen fixing capacity, rapid multiplication as well as high decomposition rate. Among carriers of biofertilizer, dash has long shelf life, so it is charcoal, porous. Epomia aquatica is commonly called water spinach. Marcella quadrifolia, it is clover fern. Rotifers are referred to as wheel animalcules. Combination of probiotics, it is symbiotics. Physiological saline condition 0.85% NaCl. Dash shed of shell, it is exuvia, outer skin of arthropods. Protein estimation is done by three methods. They are Zeldal method, Biuret method and Follin-Laurin method. Biohazard, so it is a substance that poses threat to living organism. Toxins are the poisonous substances. Living light, enzyme luciferase, dinoflagellates, ctenophores and radiolarians. Smaller size of phytoplankton, so helps in flotation and efficient nutrient absorption. Number of moles of solute by solvent in kg, it is known as molality. Precipitate properties, they are insoluble, pure and known composition, easily filterable. Ostwald ripening occurs during digestion method of gravimetric analysis. Conductivity is not classical method. Globigerina is a foraminifera. These are diatoms, they are Nischia, Skeletonema and Aschidonella. Annelids larva, Trochophore. General surveillance, passive and scanning surveillance. First commercialized vaccine in finfish aquaculture was developed for, ERM, that is enteric red mouth. Abnormal accumulation of serous fluid in abdominal cavity, it is ascites. Antigenic determinant site, it is epitopes. Okay, so that's all for this video. This was part 1 for one-liners. We have discussed many. Okay, thanks for your patience. Keep sharing the video. मिलते हैं next video में. Till then, stay safe.